Here it is, guys. Thanks so much for being here tonight. 2012 Topps Valor Encore box number 2, 10:28 Eastern Standard Time. Here's everybody up in the break. Thanks, guys, so much for being here. Here we go. Larry C, what's up, buddy? We got Wow, Fanatic, LC. Who else we got? Robin C, good to see you. Jamie R, Ryan T, Black Widow, 87. Therapy session, good to see you. Robo, let's see if we can get you an underdog hit, player. Man. All right. Here we go. Good luck. First card is going to be Andy Dalton, 87 out of 170. Going to the Bengals. Then you got Victor Cruz, 22 out of 50. That ain't bad. Going to the Giants. That's Larry C. Okay, buddy. And, all right, now we're back on track. We back on track. Come on, come on. That's a solid little T-Rich. That'd be 2 out of 50. That's going to Cleveland. That's wow. 8888. Wow. There you go, buddy. That's a rock solid T-Rich. Go on, get it. Then, you got TJ Graham. That'll be 9 out of 170 going to the Bills. Who's got the Bills? Ryan T. Here you go, bub. Underdog hit alert. There it is. Mikey Wallace, 47 out of 50 going to P-Berg. That's Graycon. There you go, bub. Is that your second underdog hit tonight? 47 out of 50. Here you go. And last, not bad, LaMichael James, single color patch, 87 out of 150 going to those 49ers. That'd be Robo, 1031. Cool. All right, not a bad little T-Rich. Gotta get back on this here. So that'll be box number 2 out of